In this video, we're going to show how you can easily and quickly set up the Deluge to sidechain from the audio line in. Let's turn it on. Plug in any external audio into line in. We're going to create a new synth, so press Shift, Synth. Push in the select knob. We see oscillator 1, that's what we want. Push in select knob again. We see type, push in again. Now, let's turn it all the way down to input stereo. It might say in LR, which means audio in, left and right. You just set the synth oscillator to the stereo in audio signal. Let's exit the menu by pressing any pad. So now we're going to draw a note that's going to fill the entire screen, and just make sure that it's set to C3. This is going to ensure that it's going to be playing the audio signal without any pitch transposition. So off camera, I'm pressing a key on my synth, and I don't hear anything. That's because we're not playing the note. It's just not doing anything. So if I hold down a note, I can hear it. If I press play, I can hear it. Now we're going to exit to the song view because we want to create a kit. Let's create a new clip by pressing any pad. And now I'm going to press Shift, Kit. Now what I'm going to do is go down to drums and then kick. Just choose that first kick sample. Now I'm just going to enter a note right where these lines are. Okay, now we're playing. Now I'm going to play notes on the synth so we can hear there's no side chaining. I want to push this button here, and the top gold knob is sidechain. So I'm going to slowly turn it up so you can hear the pumping motion. As I go higher and higher, it cuts it out more and more. Now I'm turning it all the way up. Now let's turn it back down, so you can use it kind of subtly, just to make it, give it a little more punch. So if there are any issues on your kick and it's not triggering it for some reason, make sure that we have the kick selected, push down the select knob. Now we're going to turn the knob until we see sidechain compressor. I'm going to push the knob. And now we see send to sidechain, so that's what we're doing. So you just want to make sure that that is set all the way up to 50. As we're in this menu, you can also see shift and right here, so that's your shortcut to get to this menu. Let's exit out, press any pad. Now, it should work if it wasn't working before. So this is the video I did a live stream, and now it's already plugged in here. So let's turn on the kick, and then let's turn up that sidechain. So it doesn't really have to be synchronized to the beat because it's just going to kind of force it to go along with the tempo. So we can add effects as well. Also change the filter on it, or say add some bit crushing. You can also automate it. Technically I could just add different notes in here. Automate the filter, the pitch modulation, so you can make it kind of warbly. So press this one, make it a little lower rate here. There we go. Let's turn off that bit crushing. reverb, a little delay. Let's do an octave up right here and here. Another octave up. Maybe turn down the reverb a little. You can hear a little more details here. And of course, you can make more creative beats than that. Just start adding other drums, so hold down and press load. Now we're gonna go into snare. Just pick that. Change the volume on it. Load in a hi-hat.